Blackheads versus sebaceous filaments versus whiteheads, the real difference explained. When it comes to skincare, one of the biggest misunderstandings is the difference between blackheads, sebaceous filaments, and whiteheads. Many people look at tiny dots or bumps on their skin and assume they are all the same. Because of this confusion, people often use harsh treatments, aggressive pore strips, or damaging extraction methods that can actually make the skin worse. The truth is that these three skin conditions may look similar from a distance, but they form differently and need completely different care. Blackheads are one of the most common forms of acne. They happen when a pore becomes clogged with excess oil, dead skin cells, and debris. Unlike whiteheads, the pore remains open. Once the trapped material is exposed to oxygen in the air, oxidation occurs and the surface turns dark or black. This is why blackheads have their signature dark appearance. Many people think the black color comes from dirt, but that is not true. Blackheads are actually oxidized oil and skin buildup inside enlarged pores. Blackheads are usually found on oily areas of the face such as the nose, chin, and forehead. People with oily or combination skin often experience them more frequently because their pores produce extra sebum. Hormonal changes, poor cleansing habits, heavy skincare products, and sweat buildup can also contribute to blackheads. Although squeezing blackheads may feel satisfying, aggressive extraction can irritate the skin, spread bacteria, and make pores appear larger over time. Sebaceous filaments are completely different from blackheads, even though many people mistake them for the same thing. Sebaceous filaments are natural structures inside the pores that help move oil from the sebaceous glands to the surface of the skin. They are a normal part of healthy skin and exist in almost everyone, especially people with oily skin. These filaments usually appear as tiny gray, beige, or yellowish dots on the nose and surrounding areas. Unlike blackheads, sebaceous filaments are not actually clogged pores. They are softer, smaller, and more evenly distributed across the skin. When squeezed, they often come out as thin white or yellowish strings of oil. However, they refill naturally after a few days because they are part of the skin's normal oil flow system. This is why removing sebaceous filaments permanently is almost impossible. Trying to over-extract them repeatedly can damage the skin barrier and increase irritation. Whiteheads are another common skin concern, but they form differently from both blackheads and sebaceous filaments. A whitehead develops when oil, bacteria, and dead skin become trapped inside a pore that stays completely closed. Because the material inside the pore is not exposed to oxygen, it does not oxidize or turn black. Instead, the bump remains white, flesh-colored, or slightly yellow under the skin. Whiteheads often feel slightly raised and can appear inflamed if bacteria begin to grow inside the pore. Picking at them with dirty fingers or sharp tools can easily lead to redness, infection, and acne scars. Many people damage their skin by trying to force whiteheads out before they are ready. Dermatologists usually recommend gentle exfoliation and acne treatments instead of aggressive squeezing. One of the easiest ways to tell the difference between these skin conditions is by their appearance. Blackheads look darker and larger because the pore is open and oxidized. Sebaceous filaments appear tiny, uniform, and usually gray or yellowish across the nose. Whiteheads look like small closed bumps under the skin without dark coloring. Understanding these visual differences can help people avoid using the wrong products or treatments. Skincare ingredients also play a major role in treating clogged pores safely. Salicylic acid is one of the most effective ingredients for blackheads and whiteheads because it penetrates deep into oily pores and helps dissolve buildup. Niacinamide can help control oil production and reduce enlarged pores, while retinoids improve skin cell turnover and prevent future clogging. Gentle clay masks can also help absorb excess oil without stripping the skin completely. Another important factor is consistency. Many people expect instant results after one extraction session or one skincare product, but healthy skin improvement takes time. Over-cleansing, excessive scrubbing, and strong pore strips can weaken the skin barrier and increase oil production even more. A balanced skincare routine with gentle cleansing, hydration, and targeted treatments is usually far more effective in the long run. Social media often makes poreless skin look normal, but real human skin naturally has texture, pores, and oil production. Sebaceous filaments especially are completely normal and should not be treated like severe acne. Understanding realistic skin health instead of chasing perfect filtered skin can help people make smarter skincare choices and avoid unnecessary damage. Now you know the real difference between blackheads, sebaceous filaments, and whiteheads. Instead of damaging your skin with harsh treatments, focus on understanding your pores, using the right skincare ingredients, and building a routine that supports long-term skin health.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.